رشيد؟
نعم.
ممكن. أعمل كده ميوت صح؟ طيب شوف كده. هو لايف شغال أهو صح؟ السلام عليكم أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. دي مراجعة امتحان ACT2 ماث، وأنا معكم أستاذ سعيد المهدي. The perimeter of a square is equal to the circumference of a circle. يبقى البريمتر بتاع السكوير، البريمتر بتاع السكوير هو x plus x plus x plus x. البريمتر equals 4x. البريمتر is equal to the circumference of a circle. circumference of a circle اللي هو 2 pi r. يبقى 4x equals، لو السيركل عندها radius r يبقى 2 pi r equals 2 pi r. طيب circumference of a circle whose area، السيركل دي عندها area equals 20. area of circle is pi r square. فإحنا من هنا نقدر نعرف ال r divided by pi divided by pi cancel out، يبقى r squared equals 20 over pi. نعمل square root يبقى r equals square root 20 over pi. فمن هنا نقدر نعرف نقول substitute 2 pi multiply radius is square root 20 over pi equals 4x. هنعمل divided by 4 we can، this is x length of square length, square side length is this number 2 pi divided by 4 square root 20 over pi. What is the area of the square? Area of square is x squared, which is this number squared. So between bracket 2 pi over 4 square root 20 over pi all squared. We can put this in the calculator. Between bracket 2 pi pi 2 pi divided by 4 square root fraction 20 over pi close bracket squared equals 5 pi. So the solution is 5 pi. Question number 2. The large circle has a radius of 5 feet and the small circle has a radius of 2 feet. So this is 5 and this is 2. The distance between the two centers of the circle is 9 feet. So this distance is 9 feet. If the large circle rotates 10 times, the small circle rotates how many times? So one rotation rotates one time. This is circumference. So one rotation is equal to circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r, which is 2 multiply pi, which is 10 pi. This is the large circle. The small circle, 2 pi r, 2 pi times 2, which is 4 pi. So if the large circle rotates 10 times, so we multiply one rotation times 10, 10 pi times 10, 10 pi multiply 10. How many times of the small circle, which is divided by 4 pi. Small circle is 4 pi. So this is 100 pi divided by 4 pi. This is equal to 25. Pi cancels out. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the answer is 25 times. Question number 3. A worker wants to make 10 pounds of mixed nuts using peanuts and cashew. He buys peanuts at, so let's make peanuts X and cashew Y. So this is 3.75 X per pound plus $8 per pound Y cashew. If 1 pound of his mixture is valued at 5.5, so the total is 5.545, and X plus Y is 1 pound. How many of peanuts did he buy? So this is, we can do this linear system of equations, mode 5.3. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, mode 5.1 in the calculator. And we write 3.75, 8, 5.45, 1, 1, 1. Mode 5.1, 3.75, 8, 5.45, mode 45, 1, 1, 1. X is 3 over 5, and Y is 2 over 5. Y should be 2 over 5. How many of peanuts did he buy? He bought 10 pounds, so we multiply this number. Peanuts is X, multiply this number times 10, 3 over 5 multiply 10 pounds. This is equal to 6, I think, if you use calculator. 3 over 5 multiply mode 1, 3 over 5 multiply by 10, this is equal to 6. 6 pounds. Right. Question number 4. A garden with measurement 4 meter multiply 6 meter is surrounded by a sidewalk. So this sidewalk on all sides. The area of the garden with sidewalk and total area is 40. So what is the width of the sidewalk? So this is, let's make this width is X, 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 X. So this is 4 plus 2x, and this is 6 plus 2x, x here and x here. So area 40 equals length multiply width, and this is 4 plus 2x multiply 6 plus 2x. We do FOIL, first multiply first, 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 2x is 8x, 2x times 6 is 12x, 2x multiply 2x is 4x squared. We subtract 40, so this cancels out. So 4x squared plus 2, this is 2x plus, we multiplied 4 times 2 is 8x, 2 times 6, this is 12x. So 12 plus 8x is 20x, minus 16, minus 40 plus 24 is minus 16 equal to 0. We can do mode 5.3, mode 5.3 to solve this. So mode 5.3, 4, 20, negative 16. So this is one solution, negative 5 plus 2 root 10. What is wrong here? 4 plus 2x, 6 plus 2x equals 40. 24, 8x, 12x, and 4x squared minus 40. So 4x squared plus 20x minus 16. Minus 5 plus 2 root 10. So again, mod 5, 3, 4, 20, negative 16, negative 5 plus 41. So this is one solution. What is, because we don't take this, the other solution, because this is negative. The solution is positive 40, root 41 divided by 2, because the other solution, negative 5 minus 41, this is negative. Length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative because this is negative number. So this is rejected solution. So the solution is A. Question number 5. Sarah invested $5,000 with 3% simple annual interest rate. What will be the interest in Sarah's account? Interest equals NPR. PRT, sorry. PRT. P principal 5,000. R is the ratio 3%. T is number of years, which is T years. So 5,000 multiply 5,000 mod 1. 5,000 multiply 3%, 3 shift percent equals 150T. So the answer is 150T. Number 6, the table below shows the number of bacteria increasing exponentially. What will be the value of y when x equals 10? So exponentially, this each time we add multiply by 2, so the ratio is 2. So exponentially, y equals a multiply b power x. So y equals a. The initial is at 0, it is equal to 1. So a is 1 multiply b. B is the ratio. Ratio is 2 power x, and x is 10. So y equals 1 multiply 2 power 10. And this should be this number. 1 multiply 2 power 10. 1024. Question number 7. If x equals to y, which of the following is the value of x? X equals to y. So this is equal to 2y. So the triangle is 180 degree equals 30 plus 2y plus y. So 180 equals 30 plus 3y. 2y plus 1y is 3y. We can subtract 30, subtract 30. So 150 equals 3y divided by 3 divided by 3y is equal to 50. What is the value of x? X is equal to 2y. So 2 times 50 is 100. The answer is 100. If measure of arc AED, AED, this arc is 84. So this is inscribed angle. It is half 84, which is 42. What is the measure of angle ACE? Angle ACE, if this is parallel to this, this will be 42. Because corresponding angles. This is corresponding angles. This is 42. And this side is parallel to this side, so this is 42. Jade bought 2 similar planters the second planter has dimensions 3 times as larger as the first planter. طيب two similar planters. The second planter has dimensions of 3. So this is the second. Dimensions 3 times. This is x. If the first planter gets filled using 1 bag of soil, how many bags will the second planter need to be filled? So this is volume. Filled means it is volume. If dimensions, the ratio between dimensions is x to 3x, so ratio between volume is this x cubed to 3x cubed. Volume is same ratio but cubed. So this will be x cubed, and this will be 3 cubed x cubed, which is x cubed to 27 x cubed. So the ratio is like 1 to 27, because we can divide it by x cubed. It will be 1 to 27, or 27 to 1. Question number 10. If fx equals y, a point with coordinate x, y lies in the first. If the first number of the coordinates lies 3. So first number of the coordinates x lies 3 less than the second number, y minus 3. So this is the equation. We can isolate y, move this to the other side, y equals x plus 3. So it is y equals x plus 3. Y equals x plus 3. Where is this? If the first number of the coordinates lies 3 less than half. I didn't read this. 3 less than half, so we have half here. This is half. Half the second number, so this is half y second number. Move 3 to the other side, so 1 half y equals x plus 3. We can write this here, x plus 3. So we can multiply the whole equation times 2. Multiply by 2 here, and here, and here. 2 multiply 1 half y equals 2x plus 2 multiply 3. So 1 half times 2 is 1, so y equals 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6, we don't have this. 1 minute. This is question number 10. So the answer should be 2x plus 6. This is something incorrect here. Answer is 2x plus 6. Question number 11. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Find the perimeter of A, B, C, D, E. So this is 1, and this is 1, and this is isosceles right triangle. The hypotenuse should be root 2, because if you do 1 and 1, this is right angle. Square root 1 squared plus square root 1 squared under root square root 1 plus 1. This is square root 2. Hypotenuse is square root 2. Because this is square, so it is square root, square root, square root, square root, square 2, square 2, square 2, or 2 squared, square root 2, square root 2, square root 2. So the perimeter is the sum of the side lengths. Square root 2 plus square root 2 plus square root 2 plus 1 plus 1. Square root 2 plus square root 2 plus square root 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3 root 2 plus 2, which is 3 root 2 plus 2 is here. Number 12. What proves AB equals 2? So this radius is 2, this radius is 2, so we can do radius here is 2. In the triangle, in the rectangle, if one diagonal is 2, the other diagonal should equal to 2. So diagonals of rectangle are congruent. This is correct. The radius is 2, no. The second diagonal equal to the radius. All the above. All the above. The solution is all of the above because everything is correct. Radius is equal to 2, yes. And second diagonal equals the radius. This diagonal is equal to the radius. And the diagonals, both diagonals of rectangle are congruent. So all of them. The solution is number D. Number 12, find the area of regular hexagon with a side length 4 meter. Area of regular hexagon. So area of regular hexagon up round to the nearest tenth. So we have 2 here, this is 2, and hexagon, this angle should be 30 degrees. This triangle, 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. We know that this is 2, opposite to 30 degree is 2, so this is 2 root 3. Up thumb is 2 root 3. So area of this triangle we have 12 of this, because this is 2 triangles. We have another 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here. We have 12. So 12 triangles, area equals 12 triangles multiplied by area of each triangle, 1/2 times base, which is 2, times height, which is 2 root 3. We do this in the calculator. 12 times 1/2 times 2 times 2 root 3. This is equal to 24 root 3, and 24 root 3 is 41.6. So the answer is 24 root 3, and this is equal to approximately 41.6. This should be the answer. Question number 14. In the first figure, each of the 3 circles is tangent to the other. Each side of the triangle is tangent to 2 of the circles, given that each circle has radius of 3. So this radius is 3, this radius is 3, and this radius is 3, and this radius is 3, and this radius is 3. So we can take this small triangle, small part of the triangle. We know that this and this is 3 and this is 3. And because this is isosceles equilateral triangle, so this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. The 3 sides are equal. We know that this is 3, and this is 3, so this is 6 from here to here. Now we need to find this part, which is here. This is here. So this is right angle triangle, and this angle is 30, and this angle is 30. So if this is 3, this should be 3 root 3. This is 30-60 triangle property. If we have 30-60 triangle, right angle triangle, the ratio here is x, and this is x root 3, and this is 2x. So if this is 3, this should be 3 root 3. So we have here, this is 3 root 3, this is 3 root 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3, and 3 root 3, and this is 6 and 6 and 6. So it is said here, given the circle, what is the perimeter? Perimeter equals 3 multiply one side length. So one side length is 6 plus 3 root 3 2 times. 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3. This is one side length is, this is 3 root 3, and this is 6 and 3 root 3. So this is using calculator 3 multiply bracket 6 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 again, close bracket. This is equal to 18 plus 18 root 3. So the answer is B. Number 15, Ali invested $5,000 in the account that paid him 32% compound interest. What will be the balance of his account after 1 year? So the final is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus ratio power t. 1 plus ratio power t, close bracket, power t. So this is 5,000 multiplied 1 plus ratio 32% power t, number of t years. So it is 5,000. 1 plus 32% is 1.32. 1.32 power t. So the answer is B. D. Question number 16. What is the value of y for the solution to this system of equations? So first equation 2x minus y equals 12. The second equation we can rewrite it, so we can solve it using calculator. Move x to the other side, so it is minus x plus y equals 4. And the first equation 2x minus y equals 12. We use calculator mode 5 1. Mode 5 1. Negative x means, sorry, negative 1. Y means 1. And 4. 2x, negative 1y, 12. X equals 16 and y equals 20. What value of y? Y is equal to 20. Question number 17. One minute. Yes. Simplify the following expression. Negative 6x minus 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So negative 6x minus 4 minus, we can distribute this negative. Negative times 4x is negative 4x. Negative times negative is positive 5. So negative 6x minus 4x is negative 10x. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. So the answer is negative 10x plus 1. If x and y are integers, which equation is always true? X over y equals y over x, x minus y. So let's make x equals 2 and y equals 3. 2 over 3 is not equal to 3 over 2. So number A is not correct. 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. So number B is not correct. 2x plus 3y, this should be correct because this is 2x and this is 2x, this is 3y, 3y. So this should be correct. 2 times 2 plus 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 3y, which is 3 multiplied 3 plus 2 multiplied 2. This is 4 plus 9, 13, and this is 9 plus 4, 13. So 13 equals 13. Number D is correct. Number 19, in the geometric sequence 16 So geometric sequence 16 multiply ratio equals n multiply ratio equals 16, 36. The second term n is the geometric mean. Geometric mean is n equals square root the first number multiplied by second number. So n is square root 16 multiplied square root 36. Square root 16 is 4, square root 36 is 6. So n is equal to 24. So the answer is 24. John has X dollars. Anne has, so John is X. Anne has 5 more than John. So Anne is 5 more than John. 5 plus X. If Anne gives John $10, so 5 plus X minus 10, and John will take this 10. In terms of X, how many dollars will Anne have? So Anne have this in terms of X, and have 5x minus 10, and this is equal to 5 plus x minus 10. 5 plus x minus 10. This is 5 minus 10 is negative 5 plus x, or x minus 5. Same solution, x minus 5. Number 21. An automobile sales in the United States dropped from 10.7 million units 1 year to 9.3 million next year. The decrease was closest to what percent? So percent of decrease, or percent of change, or percent of increase, all of them, they have same equation, new minus old divided old multiply 100. So this is old and this is new, from to. So new 9.3 minus old 10.7 divided old 10.7, all multiplied by 100 using calculator. 9.3 minus 10.7 divided by 10.7, all multiplied by 100. This is equal to negative 13.08%, negative 13% approximately. Negative 13%. If the average of 5 consecutive whole numbers is 12, what is the largest number? So 5 consecutive integers, 5, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 and x plus 3 and x plus 4. 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. So they said the average, we add all these numbers, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4, all divided by 5. This is equal to 12. X plus x plus x plus x plus x, this is 5x. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4 is 10, divided by 5 equals 12. Cross multiply, 12 multiply 5, this is 60. So 5x plus 10 equals 60. Subtract 10, 5x equals 50. Divided 5, x is equal to 10. So this is the smallest number. Largest number is x plus 4. This is largest number. X plus 4. This is 10 plus 4, 14. So the largest number is 14. Solve the following inequality. 5 absolute value 8 minus 2x minus 3 greater than 27. So move negative 3x, adding 3. So 5 absolute value 8 minus 2x greater than 30 divided by 5 divided by 5. absolute value 8 minus 2x is greater than 6. So this, we open this 8, absolute value 8 minus 2x greater than 6 and less than 6. We subtract 8, subtract 8, subtract 8. This cancels. Negative 2x greater than negative 2 and less than this should be negative 6. Greater than 6 and less than negative 6. Negative 6 minus 8 is minus 14 divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2. So x, we should inverse this sign. So x is less than positive 1 and greater than 7. Greater than 7 and less than 1. This means this is 1, less than 1, and this is 7, greater than 7. So this is OR. So we don't need this. Less than, we don't have equal sign, so it is less than 1 and greater than 7. Number 24, which of the following properties illustrates? This is inverse, number multiply its inverse, multiplicative inverse. If you multiply a number, let's say 5 times 1 over 5, this is equal to 1. So property multiplicative inverse. Commutative property of multiplication, this means 5 times, for example, 5 times x, 6 is equal to 6 times 5. This is commutative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication, if we multiply 6 times 5 times 4, this is the same as 5 times 6 times 4 between brackets. Identity property of multiplication, if you multiply 5 times 1 equals 5, this is identity. If you multiply by 1, x times 1 is equal to x. Number 25. If x greater than y, y is greater than 1, which of the following is least? So x greater than y. So let's make x 2 or 3. Let's make x 3 and y is 2. So 3 greater than 2. So 1 over, this is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 3. So this is less than this. 1 over 3 is less than 2, 1/2. So this is not correct. 1 over 2 minus 3. This is 1 over negative 1, which is negative 1. And this is 1 over 3 minus 2. This is 1 over 1, which is 1. So the least is this. Negative 1. Number 26. A store regularly sells books at 20% off. So this count 20% means we multiply by 100% minus 20%, which is equal to 80%. At a sale, its regular prices are reduced 10%. So we decrease another 100% minus 10%. This is 90%. The sale price is what percent of the list price? So we multiply list price times 80% times 90%. If you multiply this using calculator, you will get 72%. 80% multiply 90%. This is equal to 0.72, and this is equal to 72%. The answer is 72. 27. The price of a cold roast beef lunch is 4.80, and the price of a hot roast beef lunch is 5.40. If both prices include 20% for tax and tip, what is, this is the difference in price before tax and tip. So we need to, this 4.80 equals the original price multiply by 1.2, which is 120%, because we add 20%, 100% plus 20%. This is 120%, which is 1.2. So we divide by 1.2, divide by 1.2. So this is roast beef, called roast beef, equals this is equal to 4. Now hot roast beef, again this is equal to 5.40, and this is, let's say, y multiplied by 1.2 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.2, 5.4 divided by 1.2. So the price is 4.5. The difference is 0.5. 4.5 minus 4 is 0.5. Number 28. For what price is 20% off? The same 20% off. Price 20% off. 20% of this is يعني 1 multiply 20%, this is equal to 0.2, which is not correct. 10 multiply 20%, this is $2, which is incorrect. 100 multiply 20%, this is equal to $20, and this is the correct answer. To which of the following is 6.06 closest? 6.06, we can round to the nearest tenth, 6.1. This is not closest, this is not close. 6.06 and 6.1. 6.06 is closest to 6.1. All of the following are greater than 1/2 except for this is greater. Yes, this is greater than 1/2. And this is great because 1/2 equals 100 over 200. So this is 101. 1/2 33 is 16.5. So 17 over 33 is greater than 1/2. So we don't need this. 1/2 12 is 6. 6 over 12 is equal to 1/2. So 7 over 12 is greater than 1/2. So the answer is here. Because half here is 500 divided by 1000. And this is greater than 60 over 1000 is not greater than 1/2. So this is the answer. Number 31. If 1 over 4 of number is greater than 8, 1 over 4x greater than 8, greater than 8, the number must be what number? So we multiply by 4 here, multiply by 4 here, because 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 is just 1, x greater than 32. So the number will be 33, greater than 32, yes. Number 32, if Ivan traveled 510 miles in 2 hours, 18 minutes and 30 seconds, what was Ivan's average speed? So speed equals distance divided by time. Distance is 510 miles. Time is 2 hours and 18 minutes. 18 minutes is 18 over 60. And this is plus and plus 30 seconds divided by 3,600, because 1 hour is 3,600. So this should be the equation. 510 divided by 2 hours plus fraction 18 over 60 plus fraction 30 over 3,600 equals 220.93. 220 approximately 221. Which of the following numbers can be written in the form y multiply n plus 1, y multiply n plus 1, where n is a whole number? So this is plus 1. 4 multiply n, and n is whole number. So this should be 4 times 1 plus 1, 4 times 2 plus 1, 4 times 3 plus 1, 4 times 4 plus 1, and so on. So this is 17, this is 13, this is 9, this is 5. So all these numbers are number multiple of 4 plus 1. So multiple of 4 plus 1, 60. This multiple of 4 is 60 plus, this is 60 plus 2. So this is not correct. Multiple of 4 is 68 plus 3. So this is not correct. Multiple of 4 here, this is 92 plus 1. So this is correct answer, because multiple of 4 here is 52 plus 3, which is, we don't need this. Last question today, number 34. If t equals negative 3, then 3t squared plus 5t plus 6 equals what? So 3 multiplying negative 3 squared plus 5 multiplying negative 3 plus 6. 3 multiply negative 3 squared is positive 9. 5 multiply negative 15 plus 6. So 27 minus 15 plus 6. This is 27 minus 15 is 12 plus 6. This is 18. إن شاء الله بالتوفيق امتحان بكرة. وأنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي. لو حد عايز ياخد كورسات سات أو ACT أو EST 1 or 2 ممكن يتواصل معايا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.